Are you ready to have some fun? Let's turn it on. Let's shoot it. I gotta load the bullets first. All right, so what we have right over here is the ballistic. Now this one is an electric and air gun. I would say yes, it's an electric soft bullet gun or air gun. It's pretty interesting, it's pretty powerful and a lot of fun. So what we get a total of soft bullets here, and we can load up to 50 here. So check this out. So now we see it right here. All right, the blaster. So when you're ready, you just go like this, open this, point it, and shoot. All right, so that's where the bullets. Now, I'd like you to put a single one if you want. You can load it up this way. Okay, push it down, close that. Press the switch here to get this thing going. Okay, and then you just go and shoot. All right, so I'm gonna show you this way. I'm gonna press here. All right, and let's go. Wow, man, this thing is powerful, and it has a thing to also stay. All right, so that's the way it goes. But to load a bunch of those guys, check this out. All right, that's all of 50, so we're gonna go this way, and then just load these guys here, okay, like this, okay, and with that, as many can fit over here. All right, there, we have that, and then we're gonna load this tip up here. All right, another thing you need to do, you need to install 4 AA batteries. Already there. Let me remove that if you guys look at the instruction. So I put 2 and 4 AA batteries. Close it down, and when you finish, right, make sure you tie the screw back again, and you solder this up. Okay, so this is the switch. It turns the air, and this is where you execute the bullet. Now we see a nice design all the way. It looks like super futuristic, but we can add more. So we have another cartridge here. We can load this up. And if you want to add, you can add this part as well too. So I'm gonna add this here. I push this down, all right, so that way it locks in. All right, so I'm gonna push it that way, and it's locked. To remove this up, all right, make sure you push this down. So now we can grab this one out too, and now fold up this guy up, okay, and we push it up, and that's the way it's gonna look right now. You guys see this? All right, so now you can just hold this right here, okay, and you hold it like that. So if you got in a full view, all right, so that's what we're gonna do it. All right, so you hold it right here, you charge it right over here. So we turn this one on, okay, and then when we press, this thing shoots. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, let me change the camera there, and let's go in the corner. Let's go like a bunch of bullets. Let's go. Let's turn it on. Wow. Wow. Oh, I'm telling you, this thing is cool. It's powerful too, though. Super powerful. And you got what? 50 pieces. So 50 soft pieces on this thing. Looks amazing. Definitely it's a lot of fun, one of these things, okay? And the only thing requires are 4 batteries, and that's it. And it was amazing the power these things will shoot this cool soft bullet that has 50 pieces. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.